faster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. Four little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play. We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left. Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Found this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright. One little dino prodding glad. Birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan. Maybe hide it? No, let's clean up. Good idea.
Choo-choo train is on the way. Lay through the jungle bright and gray. Baby dinos hear the sound. Let's all jump and run around. Choo-choo, go, go, go. Dino party in a row. Tracks are shaking, trees all sway. It's a dino train today. T-Rex climbs with tiny feet. Is this seat too big for me? Wah! Triceratops says, move aside. All the dinos take a ride. Bearing, choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino dance on every stop. Roar and laugh and jump in line. Train is wild and feeling fine. Suddenly the train goes boom. Stegosaurus shakes the room. Brachio bends and hits the top. Oops, I think I made it pop. Choo-choo, wiggle, wiggle. Dinos laugh and do a jiggle. Rumble, tumble, what a sight. Dino train is wild tonight. Train goes into spooky cave. Who is inside? Be brave, be brave. Echo sound, roar, roar, roar. Who's it guide? Baby dino scream for more. But it's just a dino band. Trying music in the sand. Choo-choo, music blast. Dino party moving fast. Clap your claws and stomp your feet. This train ride is super sweet. Train comes out into the sun. Dino shouting, this was fun. Driver dino rings the bell. Next adventure all is well. Choo-choo, one last cheer. Dino friends are all right here. Roar and laugh and say hooray. Train ride ends the happy way. Choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino train will never stop. Sing it loud and join the fun. Dinosaur ride for everyone. Choo-choo. Wow. Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, looking low underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow! Then comes a flutter by the lane. Little owl in moonlight playing. Hello, baby, don't you cry. I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. I'll lift baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Push, push up, they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound. When stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. And star two glow and red. Hello star, I see you too. And star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star four more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star five so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Floating softly through the night. Baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby. Moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere. Magic sparkles in the air. Owl says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep. Baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm, breams are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun. I wish I could out there and touch the stars shining yippee, and touch the stars shining free. By wolf flies into the sky, stars are glowing, passing by. Dreamy sleeps with smile so bright, dreaming of the starry flight. Beep, beep, what's that sound? Dr. Shark is coming around. Sniff, sniff, cough, cough, oh no. Ocean friends are feeling low. Baby Shark puts Dr. Cap. Let me check you, tap, tap, tap. Fish is sneezing, ashoo. Dr. Shark, I need you. Check, check, what's the plan? Dr. Shark is helping fans. Stethoscope, listen slow. Don't worry, you will glow. Jellyfish says, I feel weird. All my glow has disappeared. Baby Shark gives bubble tea. Drink this now and feel free. Sip, sip, feel alright. Medicine makes everything bright. Ocean hospital on the wave. Dr. Shark is kind and brave. Crab comes running super fast.
Don't worry.
My shell is cracked. It didn't last. Dr. Shark says hold on tight. Wraps it up just right, just right. Fix, fix, patch it up. Healing magic in a cup. Clap, clap, feeling new. Dr. Shark is here for you. Octopus says I'm so confused. All my arms are feeling loose.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you.
Baby Shark counts 1, 2, 3. Tidy arms, now you're free. Twist, twist, all okay. Doctor saves the ocean day. Giggle, giggle, funny sight. Everything is feeling right. Suddenly big whale goes boom. Too much sneeze inside the room. Baby Shark runs super quick. shark save everyone. Clap your fins and cheer out loud. Healthy ocean, happy crowd. Beep beep, Dr. Fun. Baby shark has saved the sun. Sing along and don't be shy. Healthy ocean, bye bye bye.
We feel great now. Hooray!
La 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 lady. Brush brush brush, here we are. Do 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 do, morning fun. Hush, baby Dino wakes up and runs. Oh oh no, oh oh oh, what do I see? Dirty teeth, oh no for me. Ah ah ah, not so bright. I must brush it clean tonight. Swish swish swish, la la. Brush it left and brush it right. Shoo shoo shoo, germs go away. Baby Dino starts to play. Up and down, side to side. Dino dances full of pride. La la, bubbles fly, clean teeth shining to the sky. Oh, sticky tooth toy, candy trouble, that's the truth. I brush, 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 don't you stop. Make those dirty germs go pop. Do, 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 feel so fine. And Dino teeth now really shine. Like la la la, mirror time. Baby Dino feeling fine. Clap, 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 happy cheer. Clean teeth magic is here. Swish, 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 la la la. Happy Dino, hooray, hurrah. La 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 la. Brush all day, shoo shoo, germs go away. Do 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 do, smile so bright. Dino teeth are pure and white. La 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 la.
Teeth so clean. Yeah.
Five baby sharks were swimming around, eating everything they found. Burger here and apple a here. Yummy food is everywhere. Crunch, 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 what a bite. They eat all day and night. Four baby sharks were swimming fast. One ate too much, tummy got blast. He couldn't swim, he felt so slow. Too much food made my belly grow. So the ocean doctor came and said, stop eating like this instead. No more snacks, no more play. Eat carefully every day. Wow! Three baby sharks were having fun. One bit candy and started to run. But crack! His teeth got a break. Oh no, no, big mistake. So the crab doctor came and said, hey, too many sweets, go eat bread. No more candy, stop the bite. Brush your teeth both day and night. Two baby sharks were eating chips. One slipped and hurt his lips. Crunchy snacks made him fall. Oh no, no, this is not all. So the jellyfish said in glow, eat healthy food, don't eat slow junk show. No more chips, no more fries. Eat fruits that are fresh and nice. Wow! One baby shark was left alone, still eating snacks on his own bone. He tried one bite, then crash. Oh no, house! He couldn't even swim below. So the wise old whale came near. Listen, baby shark, come here. Stop eating everything you seed. Healthy food is the key. All baby sharks then learned the way. Healthy food every day. No more junk, no more fight. They swim happy day and night. Crunch, crunch, gone, lesson done. Healthy eating is so much fun.